I originally bought this little Bluetti here to take my wife camping so that we can have some backup power here before Jason and I decided to give it a torture test over in the lumber yard and over at Paul Bunyan Festival. But I actually showed my video to the Bluetti people, and they decided that they wanted to torture test the next biggest model here. So these guys sent me this and asked me if I could do the same thing to them. Now, since we purchased this unit really for my wife to go camping, we decided let's see if we can torture test this thing onto our camper. See what we can run, see what we can't run, see how long it's gonna be. And like this camper and most campers, you're able to actually put your solar inverter panels in here so you could actually keep this charged. But let's go see if the fridge works, make some coffee, do something in the microwave, maybe even put on the AC, Jay.
That's the big test.
Big test gonna be the AC. It's still hot out here. But I actually showed my next biggest charge. Power is off. Hey, let's see how lukewarm will last. Pulling?
We need it.
While you're out.
You gotta walk in. Yeah.
Let's first cut. We got a cat in here today, Jay. Nice new home for the cat. Let's even see if we have any power at all. Let's throw some lights on. Oh, I'm not putting it up. All right, so we got lights that are actually working. If you notice, I'm actually off. My battery power is off. Only thing we're plugged into is in the Bluetti. That's the first thing we should probably do is we want to keep our food cool. So let's go see how we got to do this. Let's check. We want to go auto. We're in. Oh, here we go. Sounds like we got fridge. Microwave's even running. Before I even run it.
That'd be a big test too. Microphone.
Microwave. In the old microphone?
Microwave.
This is a microwave, Jay. This is where I heat up my coffee all day long. Should I go get a coffee and heat it up?
Sure.
Let's do that. Let's warm up our coffee, Jay.
Let's do it.
Let's see how the microwave does. It's running. Fridge is still running. Now these things eat up a lot of juice. I was expecting something else. Next thing we're going to do is the air conditioner in the microwave and see how that goes.
There you go.
But I'm telling you, it's going to heat up my coffee just fine. Might be just lukewarm at 30 seconds, though.
Maybe so.
Lukewarm. Still good, Jay. Now, you know you can expect to run your lights, your TV. Maybe not the microwave. Your refrigerator on there, no problem. Let's torture test this thing. Let's actually put us up. Let's run some AC, Jay.
Hey, we need it in a lot of places.
Let's click it on high, too. Let's go outside and see what kind of draw she's got going on that. But my air conditioning system is running along with my refrigerator. If I could cool my wife down for 10 seconds, I'm a happy guy. We're still at 99%. We're only pulling 382 watts on high air conditioning.
That really surprises me.
Let's see how long this will run.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm actually shocked that it's actually even pulling it.
Yeah, it's getting too cold.
I gotta tell you, this little battery pack is running this air conditioner just fine. I wouldn't expect this to run all day, but you come in after a hot day of camping, you cool down the unit, you got a whole bunch of happy passengers, is all I could say.
I can actually feel the cold air coming out of the
Who needs a plug, Jay?
I like it. This will come in handy with my camper, because my camper's an off-grid camper for sure.
We're going to see how long this actually runs.
Yeah. Let's go over and take a look.
I'm still at 98%. It only pulled up to 400.
That's crazy.
That's at high cool. With the fridge running. Want me to bust on the microwave and see how it goes with that too?
And some espresso maker and a back massager maybe, and
see what the draw is. I'm gonna throw the microwave back on.
all right.
Because a lot of times they want it cold and hot. Pulling?
1800.
That's the microwave
That's-
boosted it up, they see, because that pulls the most juice.
Yeah, that and the coffee maker.
And I wish the kids could decide on hot chocolate and air conditioning, but either way, we're running both.
It's pretty impressive.
So we've had this air conditioning system running for 20 minutes and I'm still at 94%. You can still see I'm pulling the same exact draw. And yes, periodically I've been actually microwaving hot chocolate for the kids, and now every kid in the campground wants a cup of hot chocolate. My wife's feeling cold. And guys, I think it's time to please myself for a second. So let's come on in. While we're waiting for that battery to join down, who's not going to want to have a cup of espresso while you're out camping?
This always draws hard.
Espresso.
It smells good.
It does smell good, Jay, after all that hot chocolate.
That's right.
What is this funky thing?
That's a little thing to cool it down for you.
It's a cool down,
Yeah.
so I could just, whoa,
Uh-oh.
balls on the ground.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's perfect, Jay. That's perfect. We should make you another cup, and I'll get my kids another hot chocolate while we're running that. See if we can have the microwave, the coffee maker, the refrigerator, the air conditioner. What the hell? Let's turn the TV
Turn
on,
the
too.
TV on.
I'm trying to see how long this is going to last. Let's watch a little TV while we wait, because it's been a while. That first espresso was so good, I'm going to have me another. But I got one of my kids, running up my butt about getting them another hot chocolate. So let's run that. Let's see if we can run this at the same time. So I got coffee going, the microwave going, refrigerator going, and it's actually getting cold in here. I'm going to have to put a jacket on. So there you go. Camping.
Yeah, with some espresso.
What kind of camping is this? My ball was right. My ice ball. Look at that. The espresso's done before the hot chocolate. Black Rifle, my favorite, my friend.
Mm-hmm.
Come here, your hot chocolate's ready.
I'll take that.
So we've actually been running this for well over a half an hour with the AC going. I've had 3 espressos now, 15 hot chocolates, the refrigerator's running, the TV's running. We're still at 89%. We're supposed to be camping. This is almost like its own little grid system. I was so impressed with this little one and how long it lasted on the job site that I guarantee Jay and I are going to put this in the work truck, and this thing's going to the job site because it's quiet. It is strong. I don't know what else to say about it, but it's going to be able to handle whatever it is that you want, especially if you're camping. If you're tent camping, you could probably go for a month without worrying about it.
Stacy's not going to be happy to see that disappear.
No, she's not.